Hi, welcome to YSchool. In previous video we have learned about sine law. So let's learn one more important law, that is law of cosines. In this video we will learn about cosine law.
Cosine law. It is similar like the Pythagorean theorem. From cosine law we have relations. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. B squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. C squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. This is a right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, h squared equals p squared plus b squared. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. But can you give similar relation between sides for any triangle? Yeah. Cosine law gives the relation between them. Remember the formula we have written earlier, isn't it? But how did this come from? Let's investigate. Let us consider a general triangle ABC with sides A, B and C. Using Pythagorean theorem here. By doing a bit math, we have derived it. Yeah, we do it. To verify this law, let's check for a right angle triangle. Using cosine law in this triangle, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Similar as h squared equals p squared plus b squared. Which is true. Verified. For better understandability, derive the rest formulas. A squared equals b squared plus c squared. Minus 2bc cos a. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Minus 2ab. In which case should you use cosine law? 1. When two sides are known with angle between them, we can use it to find remaining side and vice versa. Side angle side case. 2. If we have all three sides we can calculate any angle. Side case. Let's do some questions based on this law. Question number 1. In any triangle ABC, A equals 37 degrees, B equals 8, C equals 11. Find A. Solution. Using cosine law. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Putting values and we get A equals 15.97. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to be updated.